Howdy all my home squat skillets. It's been a while since I said that. Anybody wants one of those, send me your mailing address right to there. I already got a list. I mean, I can't mail any out right yet. It's going to have to wait until next payday until I can get some more stamps. But I'm going to have a stack going out come next payday. And I've got chassis on that Dodge L700 together. Boy, it was kind of crooked. I had to kind of break it front axle loop, or not break it, but the tie rod was already broke. I had to glue it together, but when I put it on there where it's supposed to go, one wheel's turned one way, or one axle turned one way and one the other. So, but it was crooked too. I think the whole frame was lopsided. I had to I really didn't pop it loose where I had it glued. I just had to pull one side back a little and straighten the axle up. So I hope that'll do it. This works, the fifth wheel. I ain't tell that old frame. It's kind of bowed right here. That'll be all right. Oh, and one here pop loose. And I figured that it's one of them side rails with the frame. It's kind of that pop loose there at spring. I just get together the best I can and maybe it'll tweak itself. I don't know. I had to get the radiator and shroud put together on it, and I'm making me a intercooler for that Cummins engine. It's gonna have to have an intercooler. I'm gonna put it in front of that where that radiator goes. But just got this in the mail. I mean, I wasn't expecting it. I'm not gonna say from who, but you know who you are, and God bless you, buddy. I love you for it. I sure do. It's that's the last one, I guess, for that MASH collection. So, man, I sure wasn't expecting it. You know who you are. That's a community member. That's all I'm gonna say about that. Yes, sir. I put them other two MASH kits. Hopefully get around to starting on them. I hope maybe this year. I don't know. I gotta figure me out some kind of board or something, because I like to make a little diorama of all that MASH stuff. I don't know. I hadn't done anything in that bus, that silver sides. This I worked on. Start on that, like I knocked this out in no time. Yeah, you can see where that's bowed right there. It don't look that bad on camera, but you're looking at it right here. It's oh well. Oh, plus I had to bust that, or I had to bust that off of there, that cross member, and kind of notched See if I can do it right. Where it goes in, the inside of that frame on each side, I had to notch that and mount it lower to the lower part of that frame on the inside. I mean, for that Cummins engine to fit. That's what I had to do. So we'll see once everything else starts going on it. That's about it on that frame. Now I'll start on the interior. Well, and some more of the frame going together with the engine going in right after the interior. So now we'll see. Shouldn't be that bad. There's a lot of pieces to it. Pretty darn good for Lindbergh and that trailer. All that's for the trailer tanker. All that and about all that except for that tanker. Oh, and this. It's the cab pieces. No, boy, I had to figure out something on them doors. It's got the opening doors too, like a little red wagon. Probably same, go together the same way too, I wouldn't doubt it. Yep, they do. That might be a little better hinge on them. Huh. Yeah, that's different. This, that. Might be a little different. There's the door cards or inside of the doors. So. Well, that's it. That's all I got. All this is for the trailer. Yeah. And again, thank you, brother. Love you. Love all of you. See you. Bye.